Maximize your space with one of our durable and easy to install wire balustrade systems. Offering a blend of modern elegance, enjoy unobstructed views, increased airflow, and low maintenance convenience. The metal insert system is a stylish and streamlined system that is very easy to install. It is ideal for use on flat and stair sections when connecting your balustrade wires to metal posts. The metal insert system comes expertly finished and is made from high-quality stainless steel fittings and wire. Your balustrade wires come factory-made to suit your exact section lengths. If installing on stair and angled sections, you will also require left and right-hand angle connectors. The metal insert system is available in our premium bright finish and BlackEtch options. If installing nut rivets on site, you will require an HN02 nut rivet tool with additional left-hand threaded mandrel. You will also require a balustrade multi-tool. For a quicker and easier installation, we highly recommend purchasing posts from us with nut rivets pre-installed. For on-site installation, install the left-hand thread and right-hand thread nut rivets at opposite section ends using the HN02 nut rivet tool. Each bundle of wires comes labelled with your section lengths. Take one wire and thread the right-hand threaded stud into the right-hand threaded nut rivet. Rotate 2 to 3 turns until the wire holds. Take the nut off the left-hand threaded stud. Thread the left-hand threaded stud through each of your intermediate posts. Reattach the nut to the left-hand threaded stud. Thread the left-hand threaded stud into the left threaded nut rivet. Rotate 2 to 3 turns until the wire holds. Rotate the wire evenly at both ends in the same direction until the wire is finger tight. Use the balustrade multi-tool to tighten the wires to the required tension. Be sure to tighten the wire evenly at both ends. To hold the tension and lock the system in place, use the balustrade multi-tool to tighten the nut against the head of the nut rivet at both ends. Repeat the steps on all wires and sections. Your new wire balustrade is now complete for you to enjoy.